Welcome to my channel. We are learning cool stuff you can do with Python. In this video, we will be learning how to handle images, image resizing to be specific. Follow me, don't go away. Now, I understand that sometimes you want to uh, reduce the size of a picture. Let me show you one here. I have a picture here. I want to, the resolution is so high. This is a 517 kilobytes. Some of them are larger. This is 18 kilobytes. Let's assume I want to resize this. I want it to be something less. The resolution is 2560 by 1712. Understand that you can just use your Paint application, just edit Windows, and the application comes up and you can look for a way to say, okay, resize, and then try to scale the percentage, maybe 50%, 50 and 50, and then you get something smaller by the time you save it. But yes, I can do this, but what if I have several images? I need to do that way. For example, this is 9 pictures. Faster way to do it is running a few lines of code in Python. So what this code will do is that you have all your pictures that you want to compress or you want to enlarge, as the case may be, in a folder. You specify the folder and then it compresses. You tell the about what scaling factor you want, and then this program compresses it and puts it in your new specified output directory. For you to run this code, you need to make sure you have the pillow module installed on your package. If you're using Spider, just like I am, it's already installed. But in case you don't have that, you just go to your console and type pip install pillow. Now let's proceed. First thing, let's specify our parameters. The directory that I have my images, this is the folder. So this is the folder. Specify your output directory. This is my output directory, and then the folder resized. Now scale factor open 5. I want you to have the resolution. If you want something, if you want to enlarge, you set something greater than 1, like 1.5, 2. Compression, you make it less than 1. So we're going to use the OS module. So import that from the pillow you installed. You're going to import image. So now you say if os.path.is directory of output directory is equals to false. So os.mkdir have. So you create this directory for your output folder if it does not exist. Okay. Now we're going to use the os.list directory function to get all the files in this directory. It's going to load all the pictures in that directory. Now you say image equals this image.open. The open method will open the image file. You specify the directory your file is located in, and this takes this. Okay, and then you want to get the resolution, the width and height. You use the image.size. Now the new dimensions you want is you multiply the width by the scale factor, multiply the height by the scale factor, and make sure what you're having is an integer. And then the output will be image.resize. Use the resize method and you specify the dimensions as a tuple. Okay, your output file name will now be this. You join the output directory with the name, this directory / the name you want. So then you save with that, and the format you want it to be is JPEG. You can specify the quality you want. If you're enlarging, I recommend that you make this something like 100 so that you can still retain the quality. You still have something, but if you really want to scale down, you want something that will have that will be very light. You make this low. Okay, so you print resize this to dimensions, and when you're done, just click complete. So I think we can run our program now. Hit F5 for coming and hit this. So you have your output. complete. So now let's check our folder. Now you see the resized folder has been created, and we have our pictures here. And if you check the resolution, this is 1280 by 856, and the size is 48.7 kilobytes. You see that it's much reduced. The entire folder of the original images is 10.3 MB, and look at the resize now. This is 1.3 MB. So you see, this is how you resize folders. You resize pictures in a very fast way. If you have hundreds of pictures, this is just a very easy way. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and drop comments. Let me know how you feel about this. Thank you.